exercise that we have specified to you today is to increase that expressive power only. Once you are able to, once you want to speak something, you first of all try that thing. You do some because of the previous, in the in the in the initial time period of your life, people have been suppressed a lot, and because of that suppression, most of the people, in the childhood have been suppressed, and because of that suppression, people are not able to speak out. So to speak out, you first of all overcome that fear of getting rejected by people or getting rejected by others. If I speak something, people will make fun of me. Let them go to hell if they make fun of you. Just first of all, be unaware of people, overcome this fear that people will reject you or people will make fun of it. Okay, that's the only major hurdle. Now the next thing is, don't be too serious about yourself. Don't be too serious about yourself. Just laugh, enjoy, take the life little bit non-seriously. Not every moment you should be tensed and thinking about, hey, why you are not able to express? Because you are afraid. Are you not able to express in front of your friends also? No, no, it's not that. With the friends, you can enjoy anything, when you speak anything, it's perfectly fine. The only problem is when it comes to public, you are so much afraid. If I speak like this, there'll be a lot of implications. And if I speak like this, there'll be a lot of other implications and things like that. So it's very, very important that you overcome that fear and consider that I know everything which I want to speak, you know, first, and be comfortable with your subject which you want to speak. If you are confident enough, definitely there is all the hurdles will be over. And we had done an exercise to overcome all the inner fears also. There is an NLP phobia or fear control technique which we did some time back. You can go through that video also and give this affirmation constantly, that I can speak well, and whatever I speak, I love that. It's as simple as that. Speaking publicly or overcoming the public fear is not difficult at all if you work a little bit on yourself. So do practice in front of the mirror, then do practice in front of the camera. Sit alone. That's why we have given you exercise to make a video of yourself. Making a video will give you a lot of opportunity to speak out. Once you are able to speak out, then there is absolutely no problem. Once you have little bit of practice done, there will be absolutely no problem. And I want everybody to speak out. Let the people should hear that you are a very comfortable, very great person, and your speech also tells you, makes people comfortable. People want to listen to you. Speak in whatever language you want, whatever your native language, but at least speak your full of your heart. Is that clear? My point is clear? Okay, perfectly fine. So we want everybody to participate next time in this exercise of speaking about yourself. Right.